Hi, I'm Laura, owner of Instagram account Laura Making a Home. We built our home 5 years ago and I live here with my husband and 4 children. Interior design has always been a passion of mine from I was a child. Nothing brings me more pleasure than seeing a vision in my head come to life, and I get to do that with clients now also through Instagram, which has been amazing. It was very important for me when I was designing my own interiors that I honoured that it was a new build, but also bringing in that traditional style that I love so much, so I would call my style here more modern traditional. I first came across Material World on Instagram through another home account, and when I went on their website, the variety of fabrics that they had to offer was beautiful. The process of working with Material World was flawless. The girls' service with me was great, and they were there to answer any questions that I had. A big point for me was that I was able to do this over my phone. I was able to message them through Instagram, which made it so much more accessible and convenient for me. I had such a great experience working with Material World that I'm already planning my next project in my living room, which will include fabrics from them. I would highly recommend Material to work with from their great service, their beautiful quality fabrics, and the ease of access around their website. Everything has just been fantastic.